morning. All cleanly shaven since the weekend. Today is Tuesday, the 9th of July 2024, can you believe that? The nights are starting to draw in. I noticed lighting up time's roughly about 10, coming up for about 5 to 10 thereabouts. By the end of the week it will be. Wow. We're on down to Christmas, eh? It's like you're shopping. Anyway, it was Tuesday. Yesterday, Monday, I didn't really do much. I had a cancellation. Well, not a cancellation, but the customer, I was meant to be plastering a couple of bedrooms yesterday and today, and it's kind of been knocked on the head till a fortnight's time because the guy's not had much time to do any prep work or whatever. So like plasterboard and that to be done, he's not had the chance. So I get that, that's cool. So yesterday I done a bit of running about for a job I'm on today, and it's a very, very important job. And whether I get it done today, I don't know. So if there's more to this video, then fair enough. If not, then I'll carry on for probably a fortnight's time. Because it is currently, we'll come around this roundabout here, 7:25. Yesterday was a Scotch area day, today not so. It's currently 14 degrees. I say it's 26 minutes past 7 now, and I'm just about at the job, and I'll show you the job when I'm there. But it is meant to start raining really, really heavy about 12 o'clock onwards, so I've got a window of about 4 hours to get a front door ripped out and a new one put in. Is it worth doing it today? I don't know. The weather's really unpredictable. It can start raining about 10 o'clock. I don't know. I'm midway through, and it's a very important customer because it's my dad. So it's basically my old family house that I grew up in. We're doing a lot of work to it there now. Going to be doing that up, and the front door's been in the house for a couple of weeks now. I've not had the chance because I've had my other work. But today is a seize opportunity to do it today, or they'll leave it to next week. Because next week probably get a window of opportunity again. So if we don't do it today, next week will have to be the one. So I'm undecided. I've more or less got everything I need to get the job done today, but it's a chance of it all setting, like the silicone and foam and all that. It's going to be set enough to get it usable and waterproof for the rain coming. Probably get the door in, but everything, all my tools will probably get soaked, and I'll be working outside and doing a bit of cutting and that. It should be a straight fit. So I made the measure, we checked all the measurements and that, had all the old surrounds off yesterday and checked it all, so I'm a wee bit nervous about it, let's put it that way. I didn't want to come into any problems and he's not got a front door and it starts raining, so at least it's not my house, so I can nip away home, I'll be alright. He'll be fine with a bit of polythene. In fact, he's got vertical blinds, we'll put them back in, you can just pull them shut, it'll be fine. You would never know. Come on, you go, on you go. Come on. Right, we're in Inverkeithing, so yeah, that's where I grew up. It's the old family house. So I don't have my camera with me today. I was going to bring it, but I'll just do it with the phone. It's just as easy. So I'll bring you back periodically if we're doing the job, and if we are doing the job, then you're going to have something to see. If not, then we'll skip forward to a couple of weeks' time, or maybe even next week. I don't know. Just when I get the chance, and the weather's on our side. So I'll see you later, guys. Take care. That's been turning into the street now. So cut you loose. Take care. Have a nice day. Hope weather's on your side and me, and we'll take it from there. Right, see you in a bit. Oh, just while I'm parking up, a big shout out to all the new subscribers. I'm up to 60 now. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's good to know you're enjoying it. I'm not the greatest at presenters on the videos, but you know, I'm a handyman, I've got the work to do as well, so maybe one day I'll employ a cameraman and he can film while I'm doing this. Maybe my dad will do it today, I don't know. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, take care, guys. I was going to chap in the door for the last time. In fact, let me show you. Okay, I'll keep in portrait. I'll keep in portrait. So once we get filming later on, you can put it on the big screen. But there we go. That's getting ripped out today, this morning. A new one put in. Can it be done with the sky looking like that? And I'll put on the screen here the weather that's meant to be coming. Yeah, so you can see it's going to be wet. So I'll go in here and see what it's into it, and they might just want to leave it till next week. So it's his house, not mine. Well, it is mine. It kind of is. It's a family home, so the house is in my name. That's basically where we're at. So it is an improvement. We're going to be doing the soffits and the guttering, and probably a bit of painting as well. Just basically a complete makeover, front and back. It's only two sides. It's a terraced house. So anyway, cut you loose guys, thanks for watching, and thanks for the subscribers. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let's try and get up to 70 in no time at all, because I think I've got up to, I think I was hovering about 53 for a while. So in the last couple of weeks I've got another 7 subscribers, so that's brilliant. Thank you so much. Aye, so obviously YouTube's the way forward, and keep it going, I suppose, eh? As long as I can keep the business going, we'll keep the videos going. Anyway guys, take care, catch you later.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're in. Here's the door in question. We're getting prepped up now. Sun's out. Looks like it's going to be a no bad day. I think. It's meant to push down about 12 o'clock, so. So, we marked the centres, 105 centres to there. Centre of the door, 105 centre. We're going to screw these things to it, and this allows this to go into that frame. So we'll get all this done first and see if it works, and they give you a scraper to pull to release it all. So that's going to be fun. And that's the door. And that's the customer. There we go to the bits. Right. So this is where you wonder, are you doing it right? Have you read the book right? Of course we have. Do it as the manufacturers specify. So we go into the book. This is where we're at now. So they want you mark fitting these on the outside like that, external frame or external face. That's a wee bit of focus, try that. There we are. So there we go, 100mm centres. Fit a panel plate, 100mm centres from the corner of the panel. It's saying the 105 centres to that, that's for the other one. So 100mm centres. So I'll remark that and get that in a minute. Right, we've done our centres. That's them all marked up, on this side anyway. Just have to do the pre-drill with that one and get some screws into it. Yo, right. We'll put these 3 on. That's that one, that one, that one. All secured in place. We're going to flip it around to the other side. Then you put these on in there. 105 from the corner, centres. Then the idea is when this goes in, it's like a ratchet system. So we'll show you that later on if it works, hopefully. Oh, look, he's got the sticks. He'll be fighting the rain later on. And that's him on both sides. And then we're coming to this bad boy. So we've set this up to 15mm and run it on the edge here to that, and it gives you your centres. So see how this goes. Okay, fitted these things. That's them all in there where they should be. We're going to see if this all fits now. That's the ones up there as well. All done. You ready? I'm a bit nervous. Not really. But we'll try. Aye, you know.
What we could do is lift that one up and
lay it in it.
lay it on, or lay it in it.
Try it, aye.
Whatever.
Okay. That worked a treat. Laid the door flat on the ground and just lowered the frame on top of it, and it all clicked in.
Aye, that was the easiest way.
That was, yeah.
You couldn't do that when my hand was getting in the front.
Aye. It's all pushed in flush. That's probably needs a wee tap just to finish it off when it's in position, but aye.
Aye.
But that not bad, and that's doing as they requested on the book. I'd imagine it's got a tight seal all the way around there as well. It could do a wee tap. Still a wee tap in.
It said a mallet mine.
Aye, aye. Right, we'll see if I can release it.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we've tried the door in the frame, it fits perfect. Managed to unclip it all. And this is what's coming out. But there's meant to be rain coming, so from over there. So I guess, do we go for it? Do we chance it? I mean, time is that now?
9:05.
9:05, and they've booked the rain for about 1 o'clock, so that's what, 4 hours. Could it might come special delivery, I don't know. It might come about 11. So that means I'd take 2 hours to rip, about half hour to rip this out, half hour to get the other frame in and the door in.
I was trying to say, we've done the wee bit first.
So for the video, sakes of the video here, because we're all documenting this, do we chance taking this out and ripping it? I mean, the sky looks alright, sun's up there. It's this man's house, no mine, I can disappear. Gonna go for it, I think. Home wrecker.
I
Think so, yeah. Aye, you're in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Sure, just been nailed, I think. Didn't smash the glass, you might need it. Alright.
I've got my wee lad, I'll hate bring it. There. I've done it before.
Do that again, exactly.
That should be alright.
Well, that's the door, obviously out. We have a hole now.
I've always wanted that.
Voila! So we're hoping that
The nails to come out.
there's nails to come out, there's all wee nails and that out to come out again. Got to de-nail it all.
The brush.
Yep. Right, okay. Get that swept out, we'll get the frame fitted along with the sill and we'll see what it's like.
Later.
Ta-da! New door in. Didn't get a chance to actually film anything because we've been fighting against the rain and it is starting to rain outside. We've just managed to make it. Just holy shit. Right. Hoping the door in the back door's open, it blew everything. Got a wee bit tidying up today, but there we go, we're in and solid as a rock. Ain't going nowhere. Look in the part. Oh. Let's see what it looks like from the outside. There we go. Just to go along now and pick up the trims for the side, get them on, and get the side ones on, and the job's a good one. And we're more or less finitoed. So we'll bring you back in a wee while. Looking good though. What a difference. Right, we're just about to nip away and go and get the trims for round the side, so we'll bring you back once we're back. Oh yeah. Right, we'll just come along here to the plastics place in Dalgety Bay. Just opposite the tip where my dad is now. He's just getting rid of the old door. He's on his way. I will go in here and get the trims for the door. See you back at the house. Well, there is the rain on. Did we do it? Of course we did. Got the trims on. It's all solid as a rock. It looks absolutely minted. Really good. Nice to see it all finished. And smooth operation. Just like that. I've just got the trims to go inside. I'll get that probably next week sometime, but I'm doing a plastering job tomorrow, so I won't get the chance tomorrow. I'll need to get the doorbell back on. The lights back on, sorry. The customer, are you happy?
Ecstatic.
Delighted. Wait till he gets invoice. But want that one put back on again. I wouldn't. Just to be on the safe side.
There's no trade that one in.
Trader door. And I'll get back probably next week to finish this off. Apart from that, job's a good one.
You finish with the back door?
Aye, yeah. Effortless, effortless. Yeah.
Oh, it is, eh? Aye.
Even in the draft coming through the letterbox or nothing.
First fucking class.
Aye.
When the beast comes, I'm ready for it.
Exactly. Oh, you'll be ready for it, alright. Right, job done.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, thanks very much for watching. I'm just in the house myself. Sorry I didn't get to film a lot. Just up against it with the weather. It's just done to really start hammering down. But I managed to get all the outdoor, the outside of the door all sealed and waterproof. So that's mission accomplished. Just got the inside to tidy up, that's fine. At least I can do what I want to do. It can hammer down my rain. The door is fitted. So, one very happy customer, my dad, and I'd just like to say thanks for the subscribers for coming on board. Thank you very much. You're obviously expecting me to do more videos, so I will do more videos and more jobs coming up. So hopefully I'll take you along for the journey and you can give me the thumbs up, subscribe, or give me a thumbs down. It's up to yourself. YouTube, count them all. It doesn't really matter. Obviously, if I get too many thumbs down, they will say, boot you. And I didn't want that to happen. Quite enjoyed doing the YouTube. It's quite good. So anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching. Sorry you've caught me at my house because I'm just no long home and I meant to record on the way up, but I was just going to get home and I'm going to get my tea now. It's just gone, believe it or not, 19:09, 7:10 at night. That was an easy job doing that front door. I was just up against it with the weather. That's the only thing that basically let me down was the weather. But we managed it. Managed to get it all done. I'd just done the grey trims outside in the rain. I had no choice, but I had to do it. But anyway, it's done, and that's it. We are finitoed with that job for now. Probably get back to it, hopefully the weekend, get the trims on the inside, so that'll be good. So anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching. Thanks to the subscribers. Give me a thumbs up. If you like this sort of content, you know what to do. Click on the bells and click on the whistles and do all that you have to do. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I keep saying that, but I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. And for myself and my dad, we'll catch you later on. Take care, guys. Have a good one. Ta-da.